Hello, welcome back to my Vedic Astro USA channel. My name is Chandrakant. We will look closely what the stars suggest for Donald Trump's November-December 2025. The key astrological influences, how they might impact his political trajectory, public support, personal health, and social climates. The astrological overviews, Vedic chart recent analysis, several astrological factors. Donald Trump's this time. Political destiny may take a dramatic turn this November. The two retrograde planet, one is Jupiter, make or break the Donald Trump. The cosmic clock is tickling. What the planet reveal about Trump's next 60 days. November 2025 bring a karmic test for Donald Trump. Will the stars bless or block him? Mercury turns back, Jupiter slow down, and Donald intense and faces his most political pressure. Astrologically speaking, November and December 2025 redefine entire legacy. Retrograde pressure and powers place. Let what's Vedic astrology says about Donald next chapter. These planets are whispering and their message for Donald Trump is louder than ever. Donald Trump hit November and December 2025, a big planetary shift ahead. Trump's destiny late 2025. Trump's under cosmic pressure. Vedic astrology says of challenges ahead. November retrogrades turning point. The planetary power battle for 2025. Karma reports success or struggle. The stars speak on Trump's future. November and December 2025. The cosmic crossroad. What astrology says about next Trump's move. Namaste. My name is Pandit Chandrakant. We will look closely about what the stars are suggested for a Donald Trump. He is currently under Jupiter's Mahadasha, which tend to bring expansion opportunities, but also the risk of overreach. One transit Jupiter into Gemini and 7 and 11 house areas, depending on chart variant, is flagged at major period for the USA nation horoscope. It is also considered Badhaka transit, meaning it could bring stress for the nation even while and country. So for November, we have mixed energy, a chance to consolidate, fix earlier mistakes, but also retrograde pressure. For December, more tension arises, especially as Jupiter retrograde in Geminis. It's a difficulty zone for Donald Trump. Turning to his political career and how the public see him. Polling data as of September 2025, Trump's job approval rating stands around 45%. America say he is trying to exert more power than previous presidents, and 45% says this is the bet for country. This suggests that while he retains a strong base, a significant portion of the public is uneasy about his style, power, use and direction. November give opportunity for improvement or repair reputation. With Mercury retrograde, he might revisit key communication, legal strategy or alliances. If handled well, he could emerge looking stronger. December signals more pressure. Jupiter retrograde in sensitive zone suggests that legislative agenda, political alliances or major initiatives may face blockage or backlashes. Public support might erode or become more contested. Donald Trump star fire this winter, November and December 2025. Jupiter lift his power, but Saturn throw secret obstacles. Health need care. 8 months give him unstoppable energy. Expect drama, controversy, and bold political comeback move. Trump's destiny is ready for another twist. Do you think Trump's stars will rise again or crash in chaos? Comment your prediction below. Follow me for more powerful astrological insights on world leaders. Thank you.